Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to your channel. Today I am here with the another video. इसका तो एक ही मतलब हो सकता है कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं आज probability. बट मैं probability के सारे टॉपिक्स को कवर अभी नहीं कर रहा, मैं सिर्फ प्लेइंग कार्ड्स के टॉपिक को कवर कर रहा हूँ. ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन. सो प्लेइंग कार्ड्स में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगर मैं बात करूँ तो इन अ प्लेइंग कार्ड्स हाउ मेनी थिंग्स वी हैव. मेरे पास कितने कार्ड्स होते हैं टोटल प्लेइंग कार्ड्स में. पहली बात तो ये हमने जोकर को काउंट नहीं करना, राइट. तो मेरे पास टोटल कार्ड्स हैं 52 कार्ड्स, राइट. आई हैव 52 कार्ड्स. So these 52 cards will be further divided into two categories. The one category is black cards and the other category is red cards. Okay. Now you can see अगर ये 52 है तो ये दो कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड हो रहा है. ओके. तो फिर अगर दो कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड होगा तो ये हाफ हाफ ही होगा. दैट मीन्स कि यहाँ पे मेरे पास जो रेड कार्ड्स हैं वो 26 कार्ड्स हैं और जो मेरे पास ब्लैक कार्ड्स हैं वो भी कितने हैं, 26 ही हैं. ओके. सो 26 एंड 26. अभी मैं फर्दर इनकी फर्दर टाइप्स की बात करूंगा. सो इन द रेड कार्ड्स वी हैव फर्दर टू टाइप्स. 26 is further divided into two categories and black is further divided into two categories. Okay. अगर ये फिर से दो दो कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड हो गए तो फिर क्या होगा, 26 डिवाइड बाई 2. ओके. सो दिस इज द हार्ट कार्ड, दिस इज डायमंड, this is clubs, and this is spade. Most of the confusion will be here, clubs and spades. Some students are writing like vice versa. वो spade को club लिख देते हैं and club को spade लिख देते हैं. Okay, so you have to be more careful here. 13, 13. Again, I have 13 cards and I have 13 cards. So this is a full-fledged map of playing cards, right? 52 are total. Then it will divided into two, red and black. So further red is divided into two and black is divided into two, right? So heart card, diamond cards, clubs card and spade cards. Okay. After these we have some special cards. हमारे पास कुछ special cards होते हैं because in the heart card मेरे पास 2 to 9 normal cards होते हैं, right. And here I have also 2 to 9 here, 2 to 9 here, 2 to 9 here. All the cards are same. Okay, but with these different symbols. But I have some special cards here. One is, and there are, तो मेरे पास यहाँ पे है J, Q, K and A. What are these? So A is called ace. A is ace. K is for king. Q is for queen and J is for jack. किंग, क्वीन एंड जैक, इनको हम बोलते हैं फेस कार्ड्स, राइट. एंड जो ये एस है इसको हम फेस कार्ड में नहीं काउंट करते. तो वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ फेस कार्ड्स एंड एस, ओके, सो प्रोबेबिलिटी विल वेरी and these cards are same in both red and black. So accordingly you will find out the probability. So after that I have one more topic for you, that is die. Okay, basically this is, if I will talk about this is die. Most of the persons say dice and dice, they are not dice. This is called die. But when you will talk about two or more than two die, right, so the plural word of this die is called dice, like radius called radii. That the same thing is die is called dice. Okay, so we'll talk about two dice today. I'm going to talk about sample space of two dice. Now, first of all, that word sample space. When you have the total number of outcomes from any of the probability, let's suppose from the two dice, or let's suppose from the one die. If I will talk about this die, the sample space of this die is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because this die have a different kind of dots on it, but they are only 6. Okay, this is called the sample space. This is called the sample space of one die. But if I will talk about two dice, what is that? Is this 12? No, that is wrong. So you can see in this table I have certain kind of cells in that. Why? Because if I am going to shuffle the two dice, it is very obvious that, for example, this is A comma B. Okay, now what is A? A is the outcome from first die and B is the outcome from second die. Because if we are going to write the outcomes, let's suppose this is my A, this is my B. Okay, so I'm going to write the outcomes of that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And here is B, so it is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so let's suppose if I'm talking about this first and first, so you can see 1 1, then I have 1 2, then I have 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. So this is how we are going to write the all pairs, that is 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 5, and 1 comma 6. So this is how you are finding the all things 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, that is 2 3, then 2 4, 2 5, like that. Fast forwarding the video. Okay, so you can see I'm done with the table. Now according to that table I have too much outcomes here, so this is the sample space of two dice. Okay, now you can see how many of the total outcomes here. The total outcomes are 36. If I will say that find out the probability of the pairs which have the same value. So you can see here these pairs on the diagonal of this table, how many are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means the probability is 6 over 36, right? This is how you are going to find out the probability of any element from this dice. Okay, so this is all in this video. So if you like the videos, please do subscribe the channel and like the videos. Thank you so much.